So today we'll be talking about Samsung Group with the critique of innovation strategy and practices. Introduction. Samsung is the largest and well-known in South Korean company, one of the most successful electronic companies in the world, worth more than 201 billion. It's second in the patent registration. It's one of the largest electronics and IT technology, largest company in DRAM. It's positioning its leader in the semiconductors, TV and smartphones. Until the 1990s, it was the manufacturers with the lowest price products strategy. Samsung reached the design catalyst expenditure at 100 million per year. Design capabilities now one of the best in the world, mixed with powerful strategies, successfully implemented differentiation strategy based on premium products.
The Samsung mission. We imagine groundbreaking new ways to discover, share and learn them to make them real, so people around the world will have access to intelligent information they need to lead happier, healthier and richer lives. To fulfil this mission, we invite visionary entrepreneurs and innovators to partner with us and access to open ecosystems and unsurpassed resources so they can think smarter too. Okay, this is our innovation checklist for projects. And as you can see, we have objectives, marketing, distribution, manufacturing, regulatory and legal factors, and financial factors. We can use the innovation checklist as a framework to consider decisions of innovation for Samsung's based on weighting of different areas to create a systematic opinion that adds to the success of the strategy. Okay. We have success factors for Samsung's innovation so far. Their challenging vision, rapid investment, core talent, and faster to market speed than their competitors, and the sustainable factors that will keep Samsung as a market leader. Okay, we have radical process innovation for Samsung. It had a radical transformational management over the past 20 years, and it shifted from traditional Korean style management mixed with a Japanese and American management style to adapt qualities, capabilities and culture from both management styles. It has a greater emphasis on strategic teamwork and eliminating errors and reducing cost. And its quality throughout its competitive advantage actually low cost quantity. Although economists have criticised this approach as it's believed it would be counterproductive and problematic from a competitive advantage for the Samsung brand. Another process is incremental product innovation. It relies on continuous improvements, incremental changes to productivity, quality and speed, and uses a sixth stigma, as we can see, of strategic objectives of competitive advantage, product innovation, time to market cut, efficient use of resources, economies of scale, brand awareness, high product margins from sales. And they use a product implementation strategy, as we can see from the diagram. Day-to-day decisions are delegated to employees. They have autonomy of individuals, board and responsibility. Independent managers meet strategic goals created their successive semiconductors through this product implementation strategy. As we can see, this is the organisational structure of Samsung. It's sectioned into different areas for greater innovation. Okay, innovative organisation. We can use external communication and internal communication, which includes communication committees, environmental safety committees, Samsung electricity devices, as well as functional groups. The Samsung Group is a vertical integration for communication and focus on the use of teams, involvement in innovation, creativity and customer focus, and have three goals of be with the customer, challenge the world and create the future.
Innovative leadership. Leadership style is topical management, focuses on the Samsung vision and setting direction for investment. It's heavily invested human capital and intangible assets. Recruitment of highly talented and genius employees are involved in Samsung. It's globally picked employees from foreign talent, overseas knowledge and future insight. Managers nurture employees. There's intense employee training. There's always incentives and opportunities. There's a freedom of choice in working days.
Okay, the chairman of Samsung, Lee, said without a genuinely held passion for innovation, Samsung can never become the world's #1. And he said emphasis on the importance of strategic agility in response to change in strategy for opportunities. And to compete in a leader in a competitive market, Samsung needs a paradox of management to manage contradictory goals such as speed, differentiation and low-cost leadership, innovation and efficiency, as well as importance in a creative leadership organisation, investment in core talent and intangible assets such as design, technology and brand, as well as a company culture. Without opportunity to show capabilities, they lack the motivation to exceed performance.
Company of culture. There's a strong and creative company culture. Papali Korean culture adapted by Samsung. It has a very high and personal incentives. The synergy created from values and culture of Samsung are one of the best that makes it the company of culture. They have a common knowledge of community as they have a London-based innovative centre where they take everything in consideration of Europe's wants and needs, and they share in common values.
Okay, it's the hugest paying company in the industry of Korea. They use cross-functional task forces. The Papali culture is a fast-paced adaptation of Samsung with their employees. Samsung originates in its highly differential culture and has built its innovation model around the 5 elements. Developing a creative alike with a company based on innovation training, pursuing and pursuing patents of competitors, consistent replicable company-wide innovation methodology, and relying on external expertise for fundamental breakthrough science and a continuing approach. A creative organisation culture creates a creative Samsung strategy for complete creative management, and they use this in their policies as they allow their staff to dress casually to show personality, as well as have a 3-day weekend system where on a monthly basis an employee can take a longer weekend, which is an incentive for them to be happy in the workplace and then therefore be more efficient. Okay. Samsung's innovation sources and organisational systems. We have a global enterprise resource planning and a global supply chain management, and they use TRIZ for problem solving and innovative decisions. There's 6 Sigma quality controls for minimising defects. It uses Samsung's electrical operation decision making for identity market changes and decisions on issues. The product life cycle is longer than its competitors. It's up to 5 years, creating a competitive advantage. Supply relationship management for partnership and strategic alliances in value chain, and worldwide trade network automating all processes reduce problems in the lower waste. They have HR management strategies too, which is divisions of core talent employees as people's first strategy, which they clarify their employees into different levels of responsibility. At S level are high responsibility for their division, and A level employees are 5 years or more experience in the industry. H level is the new starters that haven't much experience or authority. They use global recruitment for diversification of people, as well as to get the highest knowledge people in the industry to come and work for them, and offering high incentives such as bonuses and higher salaries, as well as benefiting from a staff watch, which monitors their health, as we've said that Samsung care about their people as a people strategy. With the mix of 8 more strategies and IT infrastructures, it allows Samsung to use their capabilities efficiently to adapt to new environments and market analysis to create innovation for change and competitive advantages creating over its rivals. Differentiation for its cost leadership strategy is how they've done this. Okay.
Search for innovation. Source of innovation. Samsung Enterprise push the factors, pull factors, mobility organizations, and their ideas are generated as well. The search for innovation, R&D is in 27 institutes in 12 countries, and that includes Russia, USA, UK, India, and Japan. The strategy analysis and the relationship with Russia. They have a relationship with Russia Academy of Science as well. And they have open innovation. And they are open to the community. They have community groups and universities as well.
Samsung's evolutionary innovation capabilities, aggressive investments in internal innovation, active pursuit of external knowledge. You can see this in a number of the US patents they have, which has given them higher bargaining power. Since the early 90s, the source of research, cheap resource and development from Russia, which they use, as we said, universities. The need knowledge sharing, as cannot rely purely on ourselves. Use of open innovation and external partners is important for innovation, creating cooperation of suppliers, distributors and complementers. This overcomes the limitations on relying on purely internal sources of innovation and continuous innovation, products and processes. Okay.
Searching for innovation. Innovation, they have open innovation fine and they adapt and grow their technology, and they have, as you can see, the map told you, they have open innovation. They work on academic grants in the industries as well. They work with universities, and they try to expand their innovation everywhere. That's the type of innovation they have.
To build Samsung's capabilities, we focus on learning, change and innovation, high research and development investments to further internal innovations such as strategic alliances with people overseas, are people the source of knowledge. They use a Lego-style research and development strategy for technology to increase speed, leadership and efficiency. The research and development teams have a lead or roadmap of innovation for the next 10 years, uses a plan to provide a template for Samsung's development for the generation technology. This can be seen in Zone 1 of the Treasury module. Samsung is committed to producing best-in-class research as the materials and technology of tomorrow. And Samsung has a long-term vision to develop a robust network of next-generation technologies, infrastructures and cultures. They do this by creating strategic alliances with the industry and local and global universities, providing employees and students with essential training. Samsung cooperate with its equipment and materials vendors locally and nationally to monitor the manufacturing of vendors, which increases the competitiveness of products. Research centres globally to create valuable innovative research technology in the supply chain for hardware and software, and help penetrate the market, gain market share and positioning that allows investment for more research and innovation.
The future recommendation for Samsung. Samsung's ability to be sustainable, that's what the future holds for them. Can they shift an innovation to change in the environment they're in, and take tax and direction needed to take strength, the leadership through creativity, innovation, and explore new areas of the market. Because of the total solution provided service,
The market leader in their market, so therefore they need to take on a further strategy, as of IBM, who not only provide the products, they provide the service. It's a one platform for all around customer service, which is something that Samsung could look into for more innovation and further success. Another thing that we said was to strengthen their patent management, although it has outlets on media. They have come into terms with patent wars with Apple due to their fast following old strategy. And there we go. Thank you for listening.